Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing, revolutionized healthcare in the 19th century. During the Crimean War, she led a team of nurses to care for wounded soldiers, drastically reducing the death rate from 42% to just 2%. Her meticulous record-keeping and statistical analysis laid the groundwork for evidence-based medicine. Nightingale was also a pioneer in sanitation reform, advocating for clean water and proper waste disposal in hospitals. Beyond her nursing contributions, she was the first woman to receive the Order of Merit in 1907, testament to her impact on healthcare. Her legacy lives on, inspiring countless healthcare professionals today. For more captivating stories from history, subscribe to History Globe.